The deer, a commonly encountered and iconic species in North America, Europe, and Asia, is often associated with grazing on vegetation and plant matter. However, there has been a persistent misconception regarding their dietary habits, speculating that these deer might consume meat. In reality, deers are herbivores and do not actively seek out or consume meat as a significant part of their diet. Deers have been seen eating some pretty strange stuff. There are stories of them munching on spent shell casings at shooting ranges, gnawing on bones, or snacking on eggs and freshly hatched chicks. Most of the time, it's probably about nutrition, grabbing some extra protein, energy, or minerals. Back in 2017, a trail camera at Texas State University's Forensic Anthropology Research Facility snapped a chilling shot. There was a deer, casually nibbling on human remains, a rib bone hanging from its mouth like a gangster with a cigar. It marked the first recorded case of a deer dining on a person, and researchers were stunned. Then there's Trey Reinhardt, who recently caught something wild on video and shared it on Instagram. In the clip, a deer is slurping up a snake like it's a noodle at an all-you-can-eat buffet. You can hear Reinhardt in the background, half laughing, half shocked, saying, "Are you eating a snake?" Deers are classified as herbivores, meaning their primary sustenance is derived from plant-based foods. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, twigs, grass, fruits, nuts, and various types of vegetation. Deers are known to be selective feeders, consuming a wide variety of plant matter and adjusting their diet based on seasonal availability and nutritional requirements. For example, in spring and summer, they favor tender shoots and fruits, while in fall and winter, they may shift to tougher twigs and nuts as green vegetation becomes scarce. While their diet predominantly comprises vegetation, instances have been recorded where deer have been observed nibbling on or consuming small quantities of animal-based sources. This behavior is typically observed when there is a lack of preferred plant-based food due to scarcity or unavailability, such as during harsh winters or droughts. In such instances, they might consume small invertebrates, like insects or bird eggs. But this behavior is uncommon and does not form a significant portion of their diet. Researchers suggest this might occur accidentally while foraging or as a desperate measure in extreme conditions. Occasional observations of deer showing curiosity in animal carcasses or scavenging for nutrients from bones have been noted, but these behaviors are infrequent and driven more by the need for minerals, like calcium or phosphorus, rather than a desire for meat itself. For instance, deers have been seen chewing on shed antlers or bones, a behavior called osteophagy, which helps supplement their mineral intake, especially in areas where soils lack these essential nutrients. The adaptability of deers to survive in various habitats has led to their occasional exploration of unconventional food sources. This remarkable flexibility allows them to thrive in diverse environments, from dense woodlands to open prairies. However, these instances should not be misconstrued as an inherent preference for or reliance on meat in their diet. Their anatomical features, such as a 4-chambered stomach designed to ferment and break down cellulose from plant matter, further emphasize their classification as herbivores. This specialized digestive system is ill-suited for processing meat, reinforcing their plant-based lifestyle. Furthermore, while there have been anecdotes of deers consuming small quantities of fish or birds, these incidents are more exceptions rather than the norm. Such rare cases might involve injured or starving deer acting out of necessity rather than preference. Their nutritional needs are primarily met through a plant-based diet, and their biology and digestive systems are better suited for processing and extracting nutrients from plant material. Studies estimate that over 95% of their diet consists of vegetation, underscoring their herbivorous nature. The misconception regarding deer's meat-eating behavior might have stemmed from occasional observations of opportunistic behaviors when alternative food sources are scarce. tales of deer nibbling on carrion or snatching a fish from shallow water have fueled curiosity, but these stories are often exaggerated or taken out of context. These rare incidents should not overshadow the fundamental herbivorous nature of deer